Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone, my name is Muhammad Zola Pratama, and today I want to share my opinion about the lectures here at BSI University. We all know how important our lectures are to our learning process. In this video, I'll be discussing a few key points that students care about, like teaching quality, accessibility, and professionalism. I also include some experience and opinions from my fellow students about how these lectures impact our educational journey. Through this discussion, we will see how different teaching styles can affect our understanding of the material and how crucial it is to have support from our lectures outside of class. I hope this video gives you a clear picture how we as students appreciate the role of lectures in our education at BSI University. First off, I want to highlight the quality of teaching here at BSI. Many of our lecturers have a deep understanding of their subjects and can explain complex concepts in ways that are easy to grasp. This really helps us in our learning process. A lot of my friends feel that engaging lectures can turn challenging topics into enjoyable experience. Okay, so the next one I want to talk about the supportive learning environment in BSI. Moreover, the lectures at BSI are known for being very supportive. They are always ready to help us, even outside of class hours. This makes it easier for us to ask questions when we don't understand something. Many of us appreciate when lecturers take the time to give personalized feedback on our assignments. It really helps us grow academically. I'm sorry guys, I'm moving place because the previous place had a lot of noise. Okay, next I will talk about technology at BSI. In today's digital age, using technology effectively in teaching is super important. I've noticed that many lecturers at BSI incorporate various digital tools and platforms into their lessons. For example, using online resource and multimedia presentations makes classes more interactive and engaging. This also prepares us for the increasingly digital workplace. Alright guys, so the next one I will talk about areas for improvement. However, there are definitely some areas where we can improve. Some of my classmates feel that sometimes lectures can get a bit of monotonous if that delivery isn't varied enough. It's important for lecturers to keep innovating to maintain our interest and motivation. Additionally, it will be really beneficial to more practical examples of the theories we learn so we can understand how to apply them in real life. Alright guys, so the conclusion is I want to say that the lectures at BSI University play a role in our education. Their commitment to teaching and supporting students is really commendable. Yet, there's always room for growth to enhance our learning experience even further. Thank you all for your attention. I hope this version feels more natural and conversational. Okay, so that wraps up our overview of what lectures are like at BSI University. I hope this gives you a clear picture of the learning experience here at BSI. We strive that create a fun and supportive environment where every student can develop their potential. We believe that education is not just about textbooks, but also building connections and gaining real-world skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. Today I'm really excited to share with you about the present continuous tense. This tense is important because we often use it in everyday conversations. For example, it helps us describe what we are doing right now or to talk about the future plans. In this presentation, I will explain what the present continuous is, how its structure works, and give some examples to make it easier to understand. I hope that by the end of this, we all can feel more confident using this tense in English. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now I will tell you how important is the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is essential in English as it describes actions that are currently happening at the moment of speaking. This tense allows speakers to convey clear information about the timing and context of an action, making communication more effective. For instance, saying "I'm studying" indicates that the activity is taking place right now, helping listeners understand the immediacy of the action. Moreover, the present continuous tense enables speakers to express ongoing change or developments. Sentences like "the weather is getting warmer" illustrate that a transformation is in progress, adding a dynamic quality to conversations. By mastering this tense, English language learners can engage more actively in discussions and better navigate social interactions, enhancing their overall communication skills. Okay, so now I will explain you what is the positive and negative sentence in the present continuous tense, and I will give you an example. The positive sentence in the present continuous tense is to describe actions that are currently happening. They are formed using the subject, the appropriate form to be, am, is, are, and the main verb in its ing form. For example, she reading a book indicates that she actively engages in reading right now. Negative sentences are created by adding not after the auxiliary verb to be. For instance, he is not playing soccer means that he is currently not engaged in playing soccer. This structure helps clarify what is not happening at the moment, allowing for clear communication about ongoing actions. Alright, so this is an example of positive and negative sentence of present continuous. Alright, so the conclusion is, the present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, is a way we talk about actions that are happening right now. It's formed by using the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the ing form of the main verb. For example, you might say, "I'm studying," or "they are playing soccer." This tense is also handy for talking about future plans, like saying, "we are meeting them tomorrow." Using the present continuous tense is really important in everyday conversation because it helps us express what we are doing at the moment or describe temporary situations. Words like now, at the moment, and currently often go along with it to give a clear sense of timing. By getting comfortable with this sentence, you will be able to communicate more effectively and naturally in English. Alright, we have reached the end of the presentation about the present continuous tense. I hope these explanations helps you understand how to use this tense better. The present continuous tense is very important because it allows us to describe ongoing activities and also plan future events. Remember, the key to mastering this tense is consistent practice. Try to use the present continuous tense in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the smoother your speaking skills will become in English. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope the material we discussed is helpful, and see you in the next video.